Hi, this is Audusd pair, and today it's Monday, 10th of June 2013, and the time is 14:44 GMT. We are looking at the daily chart of the pair, and I'm using Ichimoku Kinko here. You see the Kumo, the cloud here. I have superimposed Bollinger Bands and alligator, the three colored lines, which is Bill Williams indicator, and the purple arrows, which are fractals, another indicator developed by Bill Williams. We see that the pair keeps falling. Definitely a bearish environment on the daily chart, 100% bearish. We see that Chiku span is falling straight down. It made a small hook upwards for this move, but the day opened with a bearish gap, and it tries to cover the gap and before it continues falling. And let's go to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart we see that we have a bearish environment too, strongly bearish. And on the monthly chart we see that this major bullish trend shows that it would like to reverse at this point. We had this sideways movement for years, and now this breakout, this bearish breakout, is here to stay, and it shows that it will last for a while and give nice profits to traders. So bearish, but not 100% yet on the monthly chart. Although the Chiku span is going below past price action, it's still above the Kumo. We would like to see everything below the Kumo to be 100% sure. Definitely bearish here on the weekly chart. Definitely bearish on the daily chart. Bearish on the 4-hour chart. We see the leading Kumo is bearish and its edge is pointing downwards, although it's a bit rounded because we had this minor move for the last 3 candlesticks, but it continues falling, so it will become sharp pointing downwards shortly. So we also see the Chiku span is turned downwards now. That's very indicative of the price, and also the leading alligator is falling down. We had this valid bearish reversal fractal here on the upper Bollinger Band, followed by this strong downward curve of the leading alligator, and that correction was over. Then we had the second correction, a lower high, and price continues falling. H1 chart, 100% bearish. Look how sharp and pointing down the edge of the leading Kumo is. It's so sharp you can actually cut your finger on it. But the Chiku span is turned upwards, so we will wait to see it turn downwards in order to make sure that this correction is over, this small correction, and pair will continue falling. M30. On M30 we see leading a bearish picture. The leading Kumo is bearish, and we have this rounded edge. We will wait for the edge to become sharp pointing downwards before we enter, and we will wait for the Chiku span not to touch the price and not to go upwards as it goes here, but to go clearly below past price action and turned straight downward. M15. M15 shows slightly bullish biases, although leading Kumo looks bullish, but it's flat, it's horizontal, and we have belly up formation with flat bottom, which is a bearish formation. So we expect this correction to end in order to enter short. We don't enter yet. M5, this is what we expect to end. We want this move to end. It shows that it's going to, we have a leading Kumu here which has a flat top, belly down, which is a bullish formation. So once this move, whatever it is, ends, and we are sure that we have a reversal, then it's a nice place to enter short and continue riding the downward rally. M1 shows a strong bullish move for now, but in terms of M1, this is just a minor move, nothing more. So we wait for M1 to be 100% bearish. Now it's bullish, so we don't enter. Also M5 to be 100% bearish. Now it's bullish, so we don't enter. M15 to be 100% bearish. It's not now, so we stay out. M30 to be 100% bearish. The only thing that doesn't make it clearly bearish right now is the position of the Chiku span. Chiku span should be turned downwards below past price action, not touching the price and turned upwards like here. Okay, we will see the edge of the leading Kumo, we will see the Chiku span, and we will wait for the smaller time frames to become 100% bearish in order for us to enter short. We will place our stop at a safe place. One of the safest places is the previous lower high. So if we go and pick it from a higher time frame, it's safer for us. It's safer for our stop loss not to be hit. But it depends on which is the tolerance of our account. So let's go and see. If, for instance, on the H1 time frame we could put our stop a few pips above this point or a few pips above this point, even better. And if we can afford risking this distance, that would be perfect. Someone might tell me that it's too much to put it here. Why don't we put it just here or even here? Well, because the price has been fluctuating so much in the recent past, so it may make a sudden move again, which will not be significant, but it might just hit our stop and kick us out and make us lose money and keep us out of the trade. So we don't want that to happen. H4. On the H4 chart, yes, we could put our stop above the upper border of the Kumo here, but this distance may be more than 100 pips, so it depends on your account's tolerance. If it is less than 3% of your account equity, go and put your stop here. If not, try to find a safe place to put your stop from the smaller time frames the way we discussed it. Trail your stop from H1 chart and put it above each new, a few pips above each new lower high made by the price, after you are sure that the price has kept falling, okay? That the price confirmed the new higher low, the new lower high, sorry. So that's how you trail your stop. This is it. I believe that the pair is going to give a lot of profits. So I recap. Make sure that M1 is 100% bearish. It is not now. M5 is 100% bearish. It is not, but it starts falling the price here. M15 100% bearish. So we want it to be bearish. It is not now. M30 100% bearish. We only want to see the Chiku span turned downwards. H1 100% bearish. Chiku span turned downwards will be enough for us to continue here. because we have a leading edge, the edge of the leading Kumo, which is very sharp, so it says it all. H4, we want Chiku span to be down, straight going down, and the leading Kumo edge being more sharper than it is now. Now it is rounded. Daily chart is okay, weekly chart is okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching and happy pips.